Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about negative powers or negative indices. Now I'm going to start off by looking at a basic example of a negative power. 9 to the power of minus 1. So whenever you have a negative power, you need to reciprocal the 9. So the reciprocal of 9 will become 1 over 9. And the power of negative 1 becomes a positive 1. Now we all know that any number to the power of 1 is itself. So the answer is 1 over 9. Okay, using that information, we're going to look at the next example, 9 to the power of minus a half. As we know, when there is a negative power, you need to reciprocal the 9. So this becomes 1 over 9, and obviously the negative power becomes a positive power. Now, if you watched my previous video, you should know that any number to the power of half is square root of that number. So power of half, it means square root. So 9 to the power of half, or square root of 9, is 3. So the answer is 1 over 3. Okay, let's look at the next example, 8 to the power of minus 1. So negative power, so we reciprocal it, so it becomes 1 over 8, and the power of minus 1 becomes a positive 1. Any number to the power of 1 will be the number itself, so it's 1 over 8. Again, you have a negative power of 1/3, so we reciprocal the 8, so you get 1 over 8, and the negative power becomes a positive power. Now, power of 1/3 means cube root. So cube root of 8 will be 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. Okay, now we're going to look at a bit more complicated question where there is a fractional power, but it's also negative. Okay, so the first step remains the same. Change the negative power into a positive power. So we need to reciprocal the 27. Reciprocal. Which will become 1 over 27. And the power of negative 2/3 becomes positive 2/3. Right. Now, we need to split the 2/3 into a fraction and a number. So we're going to split 2/3 as 1/3 and put that in a bracket and put the 2 outside, because we know that 1/3 times 2 is 2/3. Now, we also know power of 1/3, it means cube root from the previous example. So cube root of 27 is 3, but then you have a power of 2 remaining, so which we have to put that back. And then 3 to the power of 2 is 9, so the answer is 1 over 9. Hope this video makes sense to you. Thanks for watching.